शर्वना गुड इवनिंग बेटा. गुड इवनिंग फरहाना. No, it is somewhat okay beta. Somewhat okay. It is somewhat okay beta. Okay, shall I start the class beta? Shall I start the class? Okay beta. Maheshwal, good evening beta. Good evening Mahesh. So now today differential equation I am going to teach. In differential equation I am going to teach parametric form also. Okay, everything I am going to cover in this session. So now Maheshwal, good evening. I am fine beta. I understood the meaning of COVID. I was taking it very lightly, so only COVID told me the real meaning of COVID. 5 days I was unable to keep my head up also. It was like this only. Never play with COVID. I request all of you. Now look here beta. So first, what is differential equation? I have to finish your syllabus. I have to teach you all to my best caliber. Now look here beta. Any equation which will be considered as differential equation when it will be written into a particular format. So now what is the format of differential equation? We will, don't laugh, it is really like that only. Still back pain is there. Support system is needed to stand, you know. Now differential equation which is exactly containing what and all things we have to check in the differential equation. The first thing is that it is containing what? It is containing a independent variable and dependent variable. We already know in any function y will be considered as dependent variable and x will be exactly called as independent variable. So a type of arrangement where independent variable, dependent variable, differential coefficient along with derivative will be there, that will be exactly called as differential equation. So differential equations are having certain rules and regulation, norms and conditions. So we are going to check that also. So now first one by one we are going to first I am reading the definition so that you can understand what differential equation talks about itself. So it is telling that I am an equation which is containing independent variable. So independent variable x, dependent variable y and differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. dy by dx also derivative and its differential coefficient also I am containing. So only I am called as differential equation. So only I am called as what? I am called as differential equation. So where x will be there, y will be there, dy by dx will be there, coefficients of dy by dx will be there. So that particular arrangement or equation we will be calling it as differential equation. So let's see some forms of differential equation. So first form of differential equation, if we want to see, this is dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 4xy. It is a pure differential equation. Okay. Now second differential equation is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus 4xy. Here you can see that higher order derivative is also there. Derivative of order 2 is there. dy by dx is there. 4xy is there. So this will be exactly separable part. Variable parametric is there, auntie. Okay. Variable separable part is also there. Variable separable part is also there. I am going to teach everything, beta. Don't worry. worry. So now this is again a differential equation. This is again a differential equation where we are seeing that an equation is there where derivative of order 2 is there, dy by dx is there, 4xy is there, independent and dependent variable along with constant is there. So it is again a differential equation. So now next important thing is the differential equation can also contain trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithmic function, everything. A logarithmic function also, if it is there, it is again a differential equation. So dy by dx, but further conditions has to be applied when logarithm and exponential is there. That time when we will be solving in further cases, we will be keeping an eye on that. Okay, so dy by dx equal to sin x plus cos x is again a differential equation. Now another important point to be noted that differential equation can contain root, but here you have to be very particular about that differential equation. The order should not be in fraction, the order should not be in negative. Okay, so negative and fraction order should not be there. So when these type of equations will be given, the better idea is to solve and check that is it exactly a differential equation or not. So one simple work you have to do is you just shift this one that side, so it is going to come y minus x dy by dx, and then solve this squaring both side. So when you will square both side, it will come 1 plus dy by dx whole square is coming. So it's a square will come. So once its square is coming, now we are very safe because we are getting an equation only 1 minus x dy by dx whole square is coming, and equal to this root part is going without giving any problem. So since it is not giving any fraction, anything big, so it is, the order is exactly safe, the power is safe. So that's why this is again a differential equation. This is again a differential equation. So when root section will be there, we have to be very particular. We have to check very thoroughly this part. Now next equation is when we will be seeing like this type of equation, is it a differential equation? So first let's check this one out, that is it a differential equation x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. Then you will say yes aunty, it is a differential equation. X square plus y square, just keep dx here aunty, shift this one this side, so it will come 2xy dy. Now you shift dx that side, so x square plus y square equal to 2xy dy by dx is coming. So 100% aunty, dy by dx independent derivative is exactly coming. So since derivative section is exactly coming aunty, it is again a differential equation. Now this question will be quite problematic for you because you are seeing 1 plus dy by dx whole square 3 by 2 is there. So now is it a differential equation? Then only one small work I told you now, when fraction will be there, be particularly focused about to remove the fraction and check that the derivative or the highest order derivative or degree or power is negative. It should not be negative, it should not be fraction. So these things should be checked only, okay, because polynomial form should be there in the derivative. So now here 1 plus dy by dx whole square is there. Only one small work we will do, we will square both side. Once we are squaring both side, this and this will get cancelled. So overall we are getting 1 plus dy by dx whole cube is coming and equal to k d2y by dx square. So it is coming as square and this part is also coming as a square. So 100% it is again a differential equation. 100% it is again a differential equation. So be very specific when we are discussing about differential equation. So we discussed about some very important points in differential equation. First is derivative has to be there, and whatever coefficients are there, so derivative should not be negative, fraction should not be there in that part. So that derivative section we have discussed. The derivative order should be 1 2 3 4, but derivative order should not be 1 by 2 minus 1 like that. Fine. So these conditions has to be strictly followed. Okay, now second important point is order of derivative. Till here everybody understood differential equation examples understood? Come on, quickly tell me. Differential equation examples understood, beta? So we have understood this. Did you understood the examples of differential equation? Then we will go for order of differential equation. Okay, so once you have you will give me plus that yes aunty understood, then we will go for yes. So dy by dx, okay fine, super. So you have understood. So I am going to the next section, that is called as order of differential equation. So what does the order of differential equation means? Now you have to check order of differential equation means purely you have to check the order of highest or derivative, highest order derivative, highest order derivative order you have to check. So that means the order of differential equation is the order of highest order derivative. Order of highest order derivative appearing in the equation. Order of highest order derivative. Definition is so this thing that thing, we are not going to go towards that. We are simply going to check a very important point. See this differential equation d2y dx square. Here what is the order of highest order derivative? The order is 2. The highest order is 2. dy by dx is lesser than that. This is order 1, this is order 2. So what is the highest order, or what is the order of this differential equation? The order is exactly the highest order derivative. So only I have written the order is highest order derivative. Yeah, introductory class for areas, I have made one video beta. Today I am going to send that video to you. Okay, now here what is the order? Come on, check this one out and start answering the question. What should be the order of this differential equation? What should be the order of this differential equation? d cube y by dx cube minus x dy by dx whole x square. So what is the order of? Okay, what is the order here? What is the order? What is the order here? The order is, Sarvana, absolutely correct. The order here is 3. The highest order derivative order is exactly here 3. Very good. So order you have understood. Come on, quickly tell me, Maheshwal. Yes, absolutely correct, beta. The order here is 3. d cube y by dx cube order here is 3. You need not to see this part. You have to just see how many type it is exactly differentiated. So differentiated 3 times, so order is 3. Differentiated 3 times means order is 3. Now we will go for the next one called as differential equation, degree of differential equation. Absolutely correct, Farhana. Now we are going to go for degree of differential equation. So what could be the degree of differential equation? So now I am going to read out the definition to understand the degree of differential equation, beta. So now what is the degree of differential equation? The degree of differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative. Degree of highest order derivative. So in simple way, you just have to see which one is the highest order derivative and what is its degree. Which one is the highest order derivative and what is its degree? Only this thing you have to check. So come on, let's check this one out. So first example I have done for you. Second example, you have to tell me the answer. Okay. So this puzzle you have to finish now. Now d cube y by dx cube minus 6 dy by dx whole square minus 4y. So what is the order? So 3 times differentiated. So since 3 times differentiated, order is 3. So once I have written order, now from whom the highest order, its degree is 1. Its degree is 1. Highest order is 3. And what is its power? Its power is 1. So its power or degree is 1. So you have to check the highest order derivative and from that you have to find the order. So 3 times differentiated, so order is 3. Now what is the degree of that third order? So degree of third order is 1. Degree of third order is exactly 1 here. So order 3 degree 1. Order 3 degree 1. Come on, tell me the answer for this. X, this I am not going to tell you the answer. You have to tell me what is the order here and what is the degree here. What is the order here and what is the degree here? Come on, quickly tell me. So order for second one order is exactly 3 degrees 2. Absolutely correct. So 3 times differentiated. See here dy by dx to the power 4 is there. It is meaningless. It is meaningless. Don't see this side. So which one 3 times differentiated is this one? Now what is its power? Its power is 2. So power or degree is 2. And order is 3. Absolutely correct. Power or degree is 2 and order is 3. Absolutely correct answer. Now go for this third one and tell me the answer. What will be the answer for this one? Third answer. Third answer you have to solve and tell me the answer for this one. Overall final order and degree give me for this. Final order and degree give me for this one. Order and degree give me for this one. Solve and tell the order. Sarvana, Maheshwal, Farhana, absolutely correct. Now you have to solve and tell me the degree of this one. Degree and order of this one. What should be the degree and order of this one? Go for this one. So when this question is given, one very important thing is, I told you one very important thing here. Third answer you are giving, order is 3 degree, order is 2 degrees 1. I warned you one very important thing is, when root is there, your first priority is to remove root. Okay, so now our first priority is to remove root. So we are exactly now focusing in removing root. So we will write y minus x dy by dx whole square equal to root under 1 plus dy by dx square is there. So once we have done this one, after removing this one, so now this part is gone. So it is coming as y square plus x square dy by dx whole square minus dy by dx whole square minus it is going to be 2xy dy by dx equal to 1 plus dy by dx equal to 1 plus dy by dx. So 100% we are seeing that the order is 1 and highest order is exactly degree is coming as 2. Highest order degree is coming as 2, because overall if we are checking dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, so dy by dx is exactly coming as how many times? So dy by dx order is 2, degree is 1. So here, okay, order is 2 degrees, so we have to check this one out. Fine. So we are checking exactly. So order is 2 degree, order is 2, degree is 1. Absolutely. Order is 1, degree is 2. Correct. Order is 1, degree is 2. Yes, Farhana, order is 1, degree is 2 beta. Order is 1 and one order is coming as degree 2. One order is overall order. You have to check for that one. Order is 1 and degree is 2. Order is 1 here and degree is 2 coming. Fine. So now we will be going for the next one. The next is called as, this is quite difficult for understanding. So that's why I have given more examples. I have taken more examples of it. Now this is called as linear and non-linear differential equation. So now you know what is a polynomial. Polynomial degree is successively reducing by 1. So any polynomial when we are writing, so polynomial degree are successively reducing by 1. In the same here, the highest order derivative degrees are exactly reducing. So order is reduced by 1. It is exactly called as linear differential equation. It is called as what beta? It is called as linear differential equation. What it is called as, Farhana? It is called as linear differential equation. Here you can see the order is n, then order is reduced by 1, and then here it is coming as n minus 1, then order is reduced by n minus 2, then order is reduced, and then it is coming to some constant. So here p0, p1, p2 till pn minus 1, pn, q, everything is independent variable. They are constant. They are constant. They are exactly called as constant here, or some independent. They are constant or coefficient of independent variable. So this is a very important point to remember. This is a very important point to remember. So I am going to show you one linear differential equation. One very important point to remember for linear differential equation, order should be decreased successively. One very important point. Second important point is degree or power should not be greater than 1. Degree or power should not be greater than 1. This is a very important point. Degree or power should not be greater than 1. That is called as linear differential equation or non-linear differential equation. Means when degree should be greater than 1, it will be called as non-linear differential equation. Okay. So now let's check this one out. Is it differential equation or non-linear differential equation? So here we can see here order is exactly coming as 3, then order is reduced by 1, and now order is reduced by, but here the most important thing is here degree is given as 2. So if degree will be given as 2, is it linear or non-linear? Is it linear or non-linear? Come on, quickly tell me, is it linear or non-linear? Because here the order is exactly, you have to check very nicely, it is linear or non-linear. I told you restriction that order should be decreased by 1 1 1, but degree should always be 1. So here if you are checking, degree is 1, here degree is 1, but here degree is 2. So since degree is not less, the degree is exactly greater than 1, so what is the order here, what is the degree, and is it linear or non-linear? So order, degree, linear, non-linear. You have to answer all the 3 now. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Come on, answer the question, beta. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. So what is the order? You will say, auntie, 3 times differentiated, order is 3. And its degree is exactly 1, so 1. Is it linear, non-linear? It is not linear, it is non-linear. So we can do like this, non-linear. So we have given all the 3 answers. Now come on, this question you have to solve. Second question you have to solve, d2y by dx square plus 4y. You have to say the order, you have to say the degree, you have to tell it is linear or non-linear. Answer the question, beta. You have to say it is linear or non-linear. You have to check this one, is it linear or non-linear? Second answer you are going to give. Now give all the 3, order, degree, linear or non-linear. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Order 3, degree 1, non-linear. Very good. So no, Farhana. For second answer if you are giving, now let's check one thing out, beta. Let's check one thing out. It is given as d2y by dx square plus 4y, na? So shall we write it as d2y by dx square plus 0 dy by dx plus 0 into y, plus 4 into y plus 4 into y equal to 0. You see here the derivative dy by dx, it is having 0 coefficient. 0 is a constant, so 0 coefficient. So it is that, see here, very nicely check this one out, beta. Here order is exactly 2, degree is 1. Order is, degree is 1. Here order is exactly 0. So you see here order is following. So here degree is not increased by 1. So since degree is not increased by 1, Vishika, good afternoon, good evening, beta. So degree is not increased by 1. So just check this one out. So 2 times differentiated, order is coming as 2. Now it is having this order, the maximum order is 2, now its power is 1, so its degree is 1. Now it is linearly reducing, so here the degree or power is only 1, so it is exactly a linear differential equation. So it is what? It is linear differential equation. Understood? So this is one very important point to remember, that these type of questions were asked in CBSE about linear, non-linear. Now go for the third one. Third one again you have to attempt and tell, is it linear or non-linear? You have to check this one out and tell, Farhana, auntie, my network is really good. Okay. Okay. The last one, I think I got your response late, Farhana. The previous answer, I think you got my answer now only. Now check for this one, Farhana. This answer, x plus dy by dx equal to root under 1 plus dy by dx whole square is there. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Check this one out. What is the order? I told you when this question, I have exactly given you this question. So now first work is what you have to do. You have to, by checking the content itself, you can say it is linear, non-linear. Order, degree, what can be the order, what can be the degree? Very good, Sarvana. Order 1, degree 2 and order 1, degree 2, absolute and non-linear. Very good, super, Sarna. So here first you have to exactly square both sides. When you will square both sides, then this square and this root will get cancelled. So now here x plus dy by dx whole square. So 100% x plus dy by dx whole square will be there. So this section I am just writing here. So it will become x square plus dy by dx whole square will be there, plus 2x dy by dx, and then this side it is coming as 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So 100% we are seeing here that order is 1, degree is 2. So since degree is more than 1, it is a case of non-linear. It is a case of non-linear. Order is 1, degree is 2. Order is 1, degree is 2. So it is a case of non-linear. I hope you might have understood how to go for non-linear case. Now, fourth example, I want you all to consider this one very nicely. Check this question out. So here also the same problem is there. Now solve this question out. I told you whenever 3 by 2 or fraction will be there, your first priority should be to remove the fraction. Removal of fraction should be your first priority. So now remove the fraction. How you are going to remove the fraction? You are going to put here squaring both side. Here also if you will square, so now it is not at all going to be in fraction. So fraction removed, so it is coming as d4y by dx 4 to the power 2 c plus dy by dx to the power 2. So come on, tell me what could be, Ashutosh. Good evening Ashutosh, how are you? So what can be the order, what can be the degree here? What can be the order, what can be the degree here? Come on, quickly tell me. Order and degree. So just check this one out. Tell me the order, degree, absolute. Linear. Sarvana, check one time very nicely. Check one time very nicely. Is it actually linear or non-linear? Sarvana, order is 4. Order is 4. Degree is 2. So here, order is 4, degree is 2. Order is 4, degree is 2. I am not fine yaar. I got COVID. So only 4 days I was out of the world. Now only returned back to life. Long time. Don't play with COVID. I was laughing about it. Very good, Farhana. Order is 4, degree is 2, non-linear. Absolute, because beta degree is more than 1. Since degree is more than 1, Sarvana, since degree is more than 1, then it is purely a case of non-linear. It is purely a case of non-linear. Come on, solve this one out and tell me. This question came in CBSE 2019. There they have asked order, degree, linear, non-linear. Everything they have asked into CBSE 2019. Then what is the order, what is the degree, is it linear, non-linear? See the question here nicely. So here it is written as x square d2y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square, and then outside 4 is there. So very cleverly attempt this question and tell. Ashutosh, I was playing with COVID. I was telling that COVID cannot affect anyone. Came to know the real effect of COVID. First day, second day, third day, when it is kept on taking me into that, it was like a boxing competition. Who will win? 2-3 nice punch COVID has given me. One punch fever, another punch body pain. So exactly it is coming as 2-1 linear. 2-1 linear. How it is again linear? Order is 2, degree is 1. Okay, order 2, degree 1. Sarvana, again and again mistake is coming. For linear, non-linear you are doing mistake. Order is coming as 2, degree is coming as 1. I think Farhana is correct. It is non-linear. It is non-linear. It is not linear. The reason behind here is, Sarvana, you see, you take dy by dx as p. Okay, so it is coming as 1 plus p square to the power 4. I told you na that anyone in the equation form, their degree should not be greater than 1. So here itself it is seen that its degree is greater than 1. So since its degree is greater than 1, it's a clear-cut case of non-linear differential equation. It's a clear-cut case of non-linear differential equation. Come on, understood, Sarvana? Understood? So you are finding degree very nicely, order very nicely. See, where degree is more than 1 na, see here you have to check in the entire differential equation, Sarvana, degree should not be like, here I am writing x cube by dx cube plus p dy by dx plus here whole square is there and plus 4 p equal to 0. So this is again a differential equation. Now here you will say that auntie, order is 3 and degree is 1. Okay, but beta here order is 3, degree is 1 for highest one, but you see successively it is not decreasing, it is not in the polynomial format. Okay, so here dy by dx is having power 2. So here since dy by dx is having power 2, if one of them will fail to sustain na beta, it will not be called as linear differential equation. It is not linear differential equation, but if in this case if might have been written only like this, then you could have said that it is linear differential equation. Since here 2 is there, it is non-linear differential equation. But if I am going to remove this one, now it is a linear differential equation. I hope, Sarvana, this example is enough to understand beta. This is non-linear. The moment I removed this one, this will become linear, because now here degree is 3, sorry, order is 3. After that third order, second order will come. So if second order is missing, that does not mean that it is not non-linear. It is non-linear. How? We can multiply 0 with d2y by dx cube and plus p dy by dx and plus 4 equal to 0. So we can write like that. We can very well write like that. So that is exactly called as what? It is exactly a linear one. It is exactly a linear one. But the moment here 2 will be there, that means one of them is having power more than 1. So it will not be called as linear. Now it is linear. I hope you might have understood till here. So now after this linear, we are going to go for framing of differential equation. We are going to form differential equation. So formation of differential equation. Second pattern what we are going to study is formation of differential equation when parameters will be given. One very big question is what is parameter and from which part of the world this parameter is coming. Each version of mathematics parameter means different. But in differential equation, parameter is the value between x and y. So two big people are there, in between this parameter p is there. So one simple equation of parameter we are going to understand, because until and unless we will not understand what is parameter, we will not be able to do any justification with parameter. So for family of curve, parameter is that constant value. Its value can keep on changing. Its value can keep on changing. Now you will be saying, auntie, in complex number and in other one, when you are putting parameter, you are removing x and you are putting parameter in form of t. But here you are telling that parameter is a constant part and its value can keep on changing. I am saying yes, in a family of curve in differential equation, the parameter is that constant whose value can vary. And it will be best settled between x and y. Then you will be saying that, auntie, can you prove this one, because it is coming very difficult to understand. Then I'll tell you, don't go anywhere. Take the equation of circle whose center is at the origin. Okay, now whose center is at the origin. If you will be taking the equation of circle whose center will be at the origin, then you can say that, auntie, that time equation will become x square plus y square equal to a square. When I will give you a specific radius, that time you will say that the radius is this one. But when I am not given you any radius and I said that the radius is a constant value, that time that constant will become the parameter. That time that constant will become the parameter. parameter. Are you understanding that one? So here the constant will become parameter, and your first priority to get the family of curve independent of parameter is to remove the parameter. Then you will be asking, auntie, how to remove the parameter? Then the general part is how to remove the parameter. I hope you might have understood. So in an equation, a constant value whose value can change can be considered as parameter in differential equation. The best simplest definition of parameter I have given you. Your priority is to remove parameter. What is your priority? Is to remove parameter. Your first and last priority is to remove the parameter and to write the equation of differential equation independent of parameter. Okay, so this is your work. Then you will be saying, auntie, just solve one question and teach how to remove parameter. So y will be equal to a to the power x, one equation we have taken. Now first we are going to see, when one parameter is there, then you have to differentiate it one time. When two parameters will be there, means two constant will be given, means they will say that this is parameter, means whose value will be variating. That parameter if they will give you, then your priority is to differentiate two times. Okay, this is the most important rule here. So rule of this game is, if one parameter is given, then differentiate one time. If two parameters are given, then differentiate two times. Three parameter, differentiate three times. But you have to remove the parameter and you have to let the family of curve independent of parameter. You have to write the family of curve there where derivatives will be there, but it should be independent of parameter. Focus in that point. Okay, so now this is the equation. I am going to, since only one parameter is there, so I am going to remove this parameter. So I am going to differentiate only one time. So once I have differentiated it, I got a e to the power x. So since I got a e to the power x, now a e to the power x is nothing but y. So now our equation of family of curves, we are getting this. So this is exactly the equation. So this is exactly the equation. I hope you might have understood this. Come on, quickly tell me, did you understood this one? So the family of curve of the equation is represented by, here parameter is out. So this is exactly the family of curve. Come on, quickly tell me, this part you have understood, then we will start solving questions related to it, beta. Come on, quickly tell me, we will learn how to remove the parameters, how many times we have to differentiate, what special logic we have to apply to remove the parameters. Okay, no big deals, only how many times, how many parameters are there, that many times you have to differentiate. Your basic logic is remove parameter and get the equation of family of curve independent of parameter, and that means you have to frame or form a differential equation independent of parameter. Okay, so one question is there, the family of curve is given as c y plus c whole square equal to x cube beta. So this is exactly the given equation and c is the parameter. C is the parameter. So once c is the parameter, now we have to form an equation which is exactly differential equation, and it should be independent of c. It should be independent of what? Independent of c. But since only one parameter is there, you cannot differentiate it more than one time. In one time differentiation itself, you have to remove the parameter. Now what we are going to do? First we will take this as equation 1. Now differentiate it. So when you will differentiate this one, so c is a constant, differentiation of constant will become 0. Okay, though it is a parameter, if you will differentiate it, it's a constant only. So its constant means its differentiation will become 0. Once you have differentiated this part, so its differentiation is coming as 0. So now we are going to differentiate this one. So it is going to come as c 2c y plus c dy by dx equal to 3x square. So this is equation 2. Big problem is we have to remove parameter. Now we cannot differentiate it another time. One parameter, one time differentiation. Now divide equation 1 and 2. So what I am going to do is dividing equation 1 and 2. In Hindi it is called as apply sham dam dand bhed to remove the parameter. So here you do one thing, c by y plus c whole square is there, y plus c whole square by x cube is there. Now down what we are going to write 2c y plus c dy by dx, and this side differentiation means 3x square is there. So now first thing c and c went to hell. Now this square and this part went to hell. This and this will go. So what we are getting here is y plus c by 2 y plus c by 2 dy by dx equal to x by 3. So after getting this, we are going to shift this one that side. Chalo, shift it. So y plus c equal to 2 by 3x dy by dx. Again this c is there. So now what we are going to do, we will write c equal to 2 by 3x dy by dx minus y. Now we got c value. Now we got this c parameter. Now this is the c value. Okay. Now we are going to take it as third one. Now with very clever attempt, we are going to say that substituting c value in equation 1 by 3. So sorry, I am just saying some stupid content. So substituting c equal to 2 by 3x dy by dx minus y from equation 3 in equation 1. So we are going to substitute this value from equation 3, we are going to put it in equation 1. So in equation 1, first part is written as c. So now c is 2 by 3x dy by dx minus y. So this is c, and now y plus c is there. So in y plus c section, y plus, so it is coming as 2 by 3x dy by dx minus y, and here whole square is there, x cube. So first jackpot is it is independent of parameter. Okay, it is independent of parameter. Second part is y plus y minus will get cancelled. Now you have 2 by 3x dy by dx minus y, and here it is coming as 4 by 9 x square dy by dx whole square equal to x cube. So this is exactly the equation of family of curve independent of parameter. Family of curve independent of parameter. Understood? So I'm just going to solve this one and show this. I have just showed that how to let the parameter go away from the equation. Understood this one, Sarna? So like this, many questions we are going to do. Not one, Sarna. We are going to solve many questions like this. Many questions like this. If any more examples you want for linear, non-linear, I will give that also, beta. So this is exactly the one where we have removed the parameter. So only one parameter was there. So we differentiated it only one time. Since one parameter was there, we differentiated it one time. Okay, understood? Shall we go for next example? Shall we go for next example, beta? Shall we go for one more example where at least we can take two parameters? Okay, so now let's see some more examples there. Now here, this question came in CBSE 2007. So this question came in CBSE 2007. I think this is the apt case for taking the parameter. So here it is coming as y equal to a cos x plus b. Y equal to a cos x plus b, where a and b are parameters. So here where a and b are parameters, a and b are parameters. So since a and b are parameters here, so a and b are parameters here. So yes, beta. So they are exactly the constant whose value is not fixed here. The value lies between x and y. So it keeps on changing. So here I told you na, that circle radius, if you are taking, the radius will keep on changing. The radius value, if it is a parameter, its value will be changing. Its parameter, then its value will be changing. Take it like this. Take it like this means if it is a parameter, then its value will be changing. Okay. So now look here, Mahesh. First, how many parameters are given here? Come on, start doing this work. How many parameters are given here? Then you will be saying, auntie, here 2 parameters are given. 2 parameters are given. A and B are the 2 parameters given here. So since here 2 parameters they have given, we have to differentiate it 2 times. So how many parameters will be given? Understood na beta? Here 2 parameters. Auntie, what happened beta? Parameter is constant that we take. Yes, you have to remove that beta. This is that constant whose value will be changing. Here I told you na, the radius is taken as parameter. The radius value, I give you the equation of circle na. So where radius value is the parameter. So where we are writing that value as A, then its value can change. Its value can change same as that of the variable. But most important thing in parameter is it is exactly dependent on both x and y, both independent and dependent variable. This parameter will be, because it is a part of family of curve. It is a part of family of curve. So it will be dependent on both the x and y variable. Okay, so you cannot take it as a constant and remove it as it is. So it is exactly a part of family of curve. With higher order derivative only you can be able to remove it. How many parameters will be there? That many times you have to differentiate it to remove. Okay, so that is the basic specific rule there, Mahesh. You have to understand this part. Now dy by dx, so first we are going to differentiate this equation 1, take it as equation 1. So dy by dx, Mahesh, come on, quickly tell me. It is going to come as minus a sine x plus b. So one time you have differentiated. So after differentiating it one time, now again, because 2 parameters are there. So since 2 parameters are there, absolute here, now you understood. So now 2 parameters are there. So one more time we are going to differentiate it. So d2y by dx square, it is going to come as minus a cos x plus b, and a cos x plus b is nothing but y. So d2y by dx square will be equal to minus y. This will be equation 3. So using equation 1 and 3, using equation 1 and 3. So after using equation 1 and 3, we made a nice story, and we said that okay, the family of curve is now independent of parameter. The equation is exactly written as this. And this is what type of equation, Sarvana? This is a differential equation, Sarvana. Its order is 2, degree is 1, and it is a linear differential equation. See here, is it linear or not beta? The power is exactly 1. So it is a linear differential equation. So it is a linear differential equation. Okay, so it is a linear differential equation. So we have exactly done 2-3 work simultaneously in one thing, and we came to know order also, degree also, linear differential. I hope today's class you have understood many things back to back. Super, Sarna. So this I want from differential equation, whatever question will come now, hereafter whatever chapters will come now, vectors is nothing. Just you have to play with that. I'll teach you my best from here. That COVID now deteriorated my health for stupid work. Now we are going to go for next question. So here you have to just check that. So here 2y square equal to a, b minus x, b plus x is there. So here exactly how many parameters are there? A and B are parameters. A and B are parameters. Okay. So when A and B are parameters, are we going to stop ourselves? Since A and B are parameters, are we going to stop ourselves? No. Our first work is take this as equation. Y square will be equal to a, b square minus x square, and take it as equation 1. Now once you have converted this in equation 1, now 2 parameters, it is not going to create problem for us. So only one work we are going to do. We will differentiate it. It will become 2y dy by dx, 2 times differentiation because 2 parameters given. So one time ab square differentiation, constant differentiation 0. So it is going to come as minus 2ax. Okay, but since 2 parameters are there, we can write here a and we can substitute, but b part is going to create problem. So take this as equation 2. Now one more time differentiate, one time differentiate y. So it will become dy by dx whole square, because already dy by dx is there, and when you will differentiate y, it will give dy by dx. So dy by dx is 2 times, so 2 dy by dx whole square plus here 2y d2y by dx square, and here it is coming as minus 2a. Jackpot, x is removed, Now a, this minus 2 we are going to shift that side, or we are exactly going to write it as minus 2 means this side 2 to 2 will get cancelled, huh? So it is exactly, or 2 here also we can cancel here, then 2 part is exactly going to 2 story is going to be over. So it is coming as minus a. So minus a. So first minus we are going to shift that side. So it is going to come as minus dy by dx whole square minus y d2y by dx square equal to a. Now where we have to substitute it? The best place where we have to substitute is equation 2. Okay, so now with respect you substitute 3 in equation 2, the value of a in equation 2, because equation 2 is independent of parameter b. Okay, and here we are substituting the value. If main equation you will substitute, then b will create problem. So don't substitute in equation 1, never. So already equation 2 is independent of b, substitute here. So it is going to come as y dy by dx equal to hey, minus a is already there, so minus minus will get cancelled. So it is going to come as x dy by dx whole square plus y d2y by dx square, story over. That's it, this will be the equation. Now tell me, is it linear or non-linear? Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Come on, quickly tell me. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. You got a linear, you got a differential equation. What is its order? What is its degree? Is it linear, non-linear? What is its order? What is its degree? Is it linear, non-linear? Come on, quickly tell me. Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Answer. This one check nicely. What is the order? What is the degree? Is it linear, non-linear? Order, degree, linear, non-linear. Non-linear, yes, super. So order can be anything. So order is exactly 2. Order is exactly 2. Degree is exactly 1, and since here dy by dx is having more than 1, so it is non-linear. So Sarvana didn't talk about linear, non-linear, order and differential. He said that linear, non-linear part is more important, auntie. Super, correct only, absolute correct, Farana, absolutely beta. This is exactly the part. Now we are going to go towards another question which is very, very important, and this question came in CBSE in 2005. Okay. In 2005, 2008 and 2010. Hereafter vectors, parabola, probability and all classes will be awesome. Now because the most stupid part went, now only interesting section is there. So you have to form a differential equation of all circles. You have to form or frame a differential equation of all circles, all particular type of curves. So here family of circles you are going to represent, family of circles you are going to form where the circle is touching x-axis, okay, at the origin. Circle touches x-axis, and you have to exactly form a family of circles. Family of circles means many circles will be there. So how to get the family of circle? When the circle will be touching x-axis. So when the circle touches x-axis, so you have to be very, very careful about, they're telling that find the differential equation of all the circles touching the x-axis at the origin. So x-axis, it is touching x-axis at the origin, no other place, only at origin it is touching. So only touching the x-axis. So how many circles we can draw? We can draw many circles. Here the thing here is we can draw many circles, but all the circles have only one thing, center is not constant here. Remember this part, it is not a concentric circle. Here the radius of each circle is different. The radius of each circle is different. So now can we take radius as parameter? This is what I was talking about. So now take the radius as parameter here, and the radius is coming as parameter, and take this as a. The radius is coming, means the center keeps on exactly changing for different circle. Different circle have different center. So now the radius for all the circles as a parameter only we can take, because the value is not fixed. The value is not fixed here. So what we are going to do here? So here the center, so radius point, so what can be that imaginary point? That imaginary point on y-axis, one very important thing to be noted, the center. So the point here is x comma y, but the most important thing is the center point. The center can be, because on y axis x value is 0. On y axis x value will be 0. Remember this point. On y axis x will be 0. So the center point, whatever it is moving here, that center point we can consider as that center point which is exactly moving for different circle. That point center point we can take as 0 comma a. So what will be the equation of the circle? The equation of the circle will become x minus 0 y minus a whole square, and radius is parameter. So radius means it keeps on changing. So radius considered a parameter, so it will become a square. Mahesh, now you understood the parameter meaning here? Now I hope you might have understood the meaning of parameter in a very clear-cut form. Come on, tell me, you understood the real meaning of parameter now? Did you understood the real meaning of parameter now? So here a is the parameter. Here a will become the parameter. So its value is not exactly here same, it is kept on changing there. So now you understood, Namesh. So there should be no confusion in parameter related to parameter. So its value can be different for different family of curve. Okay. So the different circles will be there. In each circle radius will be different, but we don't know what can be the radius value. So we are taking it as parameter. So once we are taking it as parameter, so we are getting the equation as x minus 0 whole square. Now only one small work we have to do, and that is we will be writing it as x square plus y minus a whole square will be coming as a square. So since only one parameter is given here, so we will only differentiate it one time. So it will become 2x plus 2y minus a y minus a dy by dx equal to 0. So y minus a dy by dx equal to 0. So now our first work is to remove a. Okay. So this is your equation 1. And this is your equation 2. So now first work is take 2 common and take it 2 cannot be equal to 0. So take 2 common out. It is coming as x plus y minus a dy by dx equal to 0. So since 2 is a constant number, it cannot be equal to 0. So x plus y minus a dy by dx, this part will become equal to 0. Come on, we can do like that. So now we will shift this one that side. So x plus y dy by dx equal to a dy by dx. So now what is a part is coming, so we have to remove parameters. So a plus y dy by dx by dy by dx equal to a. Now we got a. Now once we got a, now our best important possibility here is to remove a. So wherever a is there, so it will become x square plus y minus x plus y dy by dx by dy by dx whole square equal to x plus y dy by dx by dy by dx square is coming. Now your best possible way is to dy by dx, you can take it as p. It is not a parameter, it is just I am removing dy by dx. For my calculation to be easy, I just removed dy by dx by, I just took dy by dx as p, so that my calculation part will become easy. Only this work I have done, no other this thing that thing I have done. So here it is coming as x square plus y p square minus, because whole square is there now. So this part is going to come as this bracket I am going to keep. So here it is coming as x plus yp whole square by p square equal to, this part is coming as x plus yp whole square by p square. So now one small work I have to do, and that is I have to shift this p square here. So p square x square plus yp square minus x plus yp whole square equal to x plus yp whole square. So now shift this one this side. So it is x plus yp whole square is there. I think I have not taken anything extra. So this part when I am going to shift that side, so p square x square plus yp square equal to x plus yp 2x plus yp whole square. Okay, so now after that just remove this one. It is going to come as d2y, so dy by dx whole square is coming, plus if we are going to take this one out, no need to do that much only, so just write this one as y dy by dx whole square equal to 2x plus y dy by dx and whole square is there. That's it. So once we just for solving only we took dy by dx as p. So I hope you might have understood this one. Same type one question they will be giving. They will be saying that the circle is touching both the axes. So this question is a very important question. This question came in cbse 2010. Okay, so remember this question, what they have exactly asked in the question, that you have to form an equation of differential equation of all these circles. Well, the circles are touching. When the circles are touching, so whatever circles are there, the circles are exactly touching both x-axis and y-axis. So whatever circles are formed, the circles are exactly touching both x-axis and y-axis. So at that case, what can be the center? So you can say that since the circles are exactly, family of circles are there, that means we can take the parameter, since here distance will remain same. So AA, we will take like that. So for all the circles we will take the, because this distance and this distance, once it is touching the x-axis y-axis same, so since it is going to touch x-axis y-axis, so 100% the contact, the center will become a comma. For parameters, here the parameter will be same, both parameter will be same. So center value x and y, since it is equidistance, the radius remains the same for circle. So this length and this both are radius, so radius is same. So center will become a minus a comma a, sorry, a comma a, since a is going to be the parameter. Okay, why a is going to be the parameter? Because it is family of all the circles which is touching both x-axis and y-axis. Then what can be the equation? X minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to a square. So this question I am giving you to remove parameter a and send me the equation. To remove parameter a and send me the equation. Hi Michael, how are you beta? To remove parameter, tomorrow I am going to make your equation, tomorrow I am going to make the what you call videos for you, huh Michael? Tomorrow 100% I'll try to make the video for you beta. I hope you might have enjoyed today's class. Come on, quickly tell me this equation, removal of parameter a. This is your duty. This question already came in cbse 2010. So since this question came in cbse 2010, this is now your duty to solve this question and remove and give me the equation. Okay, I hope you will be able to do it. So next class we are going to study about variable separable. I think we will be going for the next section. I hope solution of differential equation. Come on, quickly tell me beta, this method you have understood, this parametric equation, order, linear, non-linear. So understood this one nicely or not? If you will tell understood, then only I will go for the next part. So today we are going to keep it till here only, huh? We are going to keep it till here. Understood na Sarvana? So try to solve this question, Sarna. One question is also there. I think this question came in cbse 2019. So cbse 2019. This is 2010 question now. Practice this question beta. Here y will be equal to e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x. A plus bx is there. So here a and b are parameter. A and b are parameter. A and b are parameter. Okay, so this is one question again. So 2019, three different questions. So 2019 and 2018 they have given same pattern question. Same pattern question they have given y is equal to a e to the power bx plus 5. And this question they have told in 2018. So see, parameter removal 2018 question, 2019 this question 2010. If you will be able to solve, it will be really very good beta. Try this question out and I think now you will be very nicely be able to remove the parameters. Okay, 2 parameters means 2 time equations. 2 parameter means 2 time equation. I think I have given you 3 questions to solve. and one important question is still there. Okay, 2017, at the time of revision we will do. Okay, so these 3 questions, come on, try and solve these 3 questions, this 2010, 2019 and 2018. You have to remove parameters. Here A and B are parameter, here also A and B, here only A is the parameter. Okay, bye everyone, good night.